Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I just want to show you a very important information regarding the AI coding platform, which is called as Cody, which is a very popular extension among developers if you want to generate AI related code. This is the coding assistant that I'm talking about. It's developed by this website Sourcegraph. And basically, up till now, this platform was totally free to use. There was no limit was there. You just have to install this extension inside VS Code, and this appears right here in the drop down section, this Cody. And the information that I want to share with you is that if you are using this tool here, you will get this notice here: Cody free is being sunset. You can continue using Cody until July 23rd. We encourage you to try AMP, Sourcegraph's new agentic coding tool. So now this Cody free platform is being discontinued, and so the last day will be July 23rd. Today is July 16th. So you have 7 more days to access Cody being free. Post that, you need to sign up on this website, which is AMP, new tool that they actually discovered. You can access this tool on this website ampcode.com. So first of all, just sign up. I've already signed up with my Google account, and after this you need to install this extension. So just go to the extensions tab, just search AMP, and this extension will come right here. If you see AMP Research Preview, so this is developed by the same company here, Sourcegraph.com, and it's got almost 18,000 installs. It's a fairly new platform that they developed, and after July 23rd, this Cody AI will be discontinued, and you just need to use this one. Just click on the install button to activate this extension. So once activated, you will see this appearing right here in the sidebar section. And once you activate this, you basically need to enable billing and paste your API key. And for getting your API key, you need to go to the settings option, and you need to enable billing. You click the tokens by clicking this buy, and how much. So you need to purchase $5 packages and purchase it using your credit card, and after that you can actually get the API key. So from this, so you get copy to clipboard, and this is the thing about this. So after July 23rd, guys, Cody is discontinued, and you need to basically, after you sign up, you basically get this $10 free usage. After you basically sign up with a free account on Google, you get this $10 free credits on this website. So I'm basically, now if you want to purchase more things, you click the buy button right here and proceed to checkout. And now to enable this API key, you basically copy to clipboard and simply paste this API key right here. So once you paste it, it will connect, and as you can see, automatically now AMP is automatically connected in VS Code. And right here you can again ask a question that build a React project which converts images to PDF. Please create all the files in my working directory and run the project as well locally. So here you basically provide the prompt, and for this you do need to create a folder here where it can actually generate. So simply create a folder, brand new, simply select, So what I can do is that I can open the VS Code in that folder. Just wait. So once you open VS Code right here, if you see, now you can access that AMP. So now you actually paste the prompt here, build a React project which converts images to PDF and download the PDF, and please create all the files in working directory and run the project as well. So you basically write the prompt here and you basically give this prompt to Cody, not Cody, this AMP platform. And then what it will do, it will create this React project. It will create all the files. It will check your current working directory and it will generate all the working files which are necessary. First of all, it will create the package.json file. And as you can see, it first of all creates this package.json file. And then it will create automatically the rest of the files. And basically it is using some tokens, as you can see, 8% of 168,000 tokens. So it tells you exactly how much tokens are used. So automatically it created the public folder and then it created all these folders. So it is creating these files, this AI platform dynamically. So this will take some time. So just wait for the process to finish and then it will automatically run your application as well. So this is your React.js application. So it is using the latest version of React. So once basically it is saying that run and always allow. So you just need to grant the permission, and after you grant the permission, it will install all the modules, and then it will. You can even view this inside the terminal as well. So it is executing the commands automatically for you and installing the modules. After that, it will run this application directly in the browser. So just wait for the process to finish. So I think that it's a very good platform, but the downside is that because after 23rd July, that free Cody support will be discontinued and you just need to sign up on this. That's the major part that I don't like, because again you need to purchase credits. This will be rest of the platforms are also like that. You need to purchase credits and then you will be able to run applications. So that's the not the very good part about this. So once it will be installing modules, it will, and now again for running the application, as you can see, it created all the node modules folder, and now it is actually installing or running this application. So it is executing npm start. So this will start your application at As you can see, it created some kind of error message, and also automatically it is fixing those error messages as well. And then it started your application, and again say run always allow. So if it encounters any error message, as you can see, you don't need to do anything. It is automatically fixing those error messages and applying those fixes, and then it will run your application. So it's a great platform. Definitely try this AMP code. After Cody is discontinued, you need to follow these instructions and do like this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.